4-point perspective from high angle. Hi guys, I'm Mobin, and in the last video, I taught you how to draw a 4-point perspective from the front. Today we're going to learn how to draw it from a top angle. Let's get started. To begin, draw a vertical line. Next, add a horizontal line. Now place dots on the lower half of the vertical line wherever you want. Then connect the ends of the horizontal line to these points on both sides, like this. Now do the same for the top part, like this. Now draw a curved line from the end point of the upper vertical line to the end point of the lower line, like this. Now you can draw your building using these lines. If you want to draw a building from a high angle, make sure to draw it in the lower half of the figure. The lower you draw it, the higher the angle will appear. And as always, here's a little cheat, take a screenshot and use it. If you don't know how to draw a 4-point perspective from the front, be sure to watch this video. I'm Mobin, and don't forget to subscribe.